Hi everyone, I'm very happy to be here today. I'm excited to do something that's going to be actually really quite simple. I've done other paintings with primary colors before, but I've always done them either with white backgrounds or the full canvas. So I'm excited for today. I'm going to be doing it with a black background and I'm going to be leaving some negative space. So I'm hoping that that's going to give a chance to my beautiful, bright, simple colors to really pop. So I'm excited to see what comes out of it. And I'm hoping that because I'm going to be doing a small cup, my colors will remain bright and hopefully not muddy as much. So I'm not going to run through my colors because they're actually all leftovers. I can tell you I have my paint, my Floetrol, my water, and I do have silicone in all three of my colors here. I do not have silicone in my white or in my black. So I'm going to be doing a dirty cup, flip and drag, I think, and then I'll see. So here we go. So I'm very happy with the outcome. I really find that in this case, simple is best. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.